Hello everyone. Today we are here to review on the book How to Stop Worrying and Start Living by author Dale Carnegie. The author ensures that this book will surely create an impact in everyone's life who is completely distressed and wasting their life just by worrying. Without any further delay, let's check out the way the author tells us to start a new living. Now, let's see what made the author to bring this book. Dale Carnegie proceeds like this, that he was one of the unhappiest lad in New York who despised his job and the way of living. All of a sudden, he decided to change his way of living and became the teacher in YMCA night school and became the astounding lead teacher. Then he wrote several books and decided to do a research on the solution to get rid of worry and came up with this book. The first way, he tells us that live in day-tight compartments, which means that be happy with what you have today and take no thought of the past and the tomorrow. Start living as every day is a new life for a wise man. Then he deals with the formula to stop worrying is that whatever the situation may happen, prepare to accept it and then proceed to improve the worst. Keep on worrying does not only affect your happiness but also your health. Here he claims that one who is happier stays longer than one who keep on worrying about the unnecessary thing. To get relief from worrying, always keep yourself indulged in relaxation and recreation of your own thoughts. With the 3 steps the author ensured to solve worry problem. They are: get the fact, analyze the fact, arrive at a decision. Worrying does not bring any solution to problem, rather think of the reason for the problem, what can be done to avoid it in future. The next chapter deals with the excellent way of removing worry which suits all of us is that keep yourself busy both physically and mentally. Once a mind is deviated to the things we like doing, then there will be no past or future but only the present. Many of us are in the situation of worry for the one that is never going to happen. By avoiding this, one can start a new beginning. According to the author, the next is the cooperate with the inevitable, which means that try to accept what had happened in life and move on. There is no use in crying over the spilt milk. The author also rely on the words, our life is what our thought make it. So always stay positive to lead a positive and happy life. He also insists on not to worry on ingratitude. He asks, love the people and do what you can do for them, as only way to find happiness is not to expect gratitude but enjoy joy of giving. There are several hundred people whose life is still worse than us. So rather than complaining, look for the best side of every minute. He also says that being yourself, whatever the situation may be, will never fail to enjoy the beauty of your unique life. Always make the possible out of the worst situation. Remember, storms come to make us stronger. You also confess that prayer is the most powerful form of energy. When we have nobody, we believe that there is some power who is God to hear, and letting our problem to someone who is trustworthy will itself reduce half the worry. This goes with the next chapter, that is accepting the criticism. He says that if we are well known to the world only, then criticism starts hitting us, as no one kicks a dead dog. Never ever bothered about the people as long as you know you are correct. He also insists to just try to ignore or consider it as a good humor and ask to give back smile in return. The most important words of author which made me realize how to lead a life is that take frequent rest, do what your heart does before you get tired, and you will able to add 1 hour a day to your waking life. And always having a schedule for tomorrow work, and this will itself reduce off of the stress and work. He also insists on doing things in order of their importance. When you face any problem, try to solve it immediately. And he also deals with the importance of organizing, deputizing and supervising. And finally, the major problem with everyone is lack of sleep. The author also comes out with the solution for this too. That is, The best way to get sleep is that read books or stay active and happy during the daytime, which will never ever make us able to stay awake throughout the night. That's a short glimpse of the book. So overall, this book will be the solution for those who got into the trap of worrying and take you to the next level of living. If you want to get to know the detailed information what the author trying to portray, then do check out this book, which is also available in Amazon Kindle at low cost. Have a happy reading. Thank you.